everyone. We're in the Peachy World Closet. I am Peachy. You can call me Peach or Peachy. And I just wanted to show you all how to bundle something after you've received a like. So you're going to start on your main page, or even if you start at the Poshmark homepage, you'll go home and you'll see your notifications are popping or jumping. After you click on your news, you'll get a list of your recent activity. And this is all of the recent activity over here: offers, comments, likes, bundles, etc. So what you can do is you can click on likes, and what you'll do is you'll open up the specific item that maybe you want to bundle or send an offer or a message about. And I already have some in my tabs up top. I can't recall if I've sent everyone or if I bundled everything for everyone just yet. So we're going to go through the steps here. So you want to highlight the name of the posher. Command C if you have a Mac, Control C if you have a Windows, and you want to click share and then paste that name into the box there. So that says unable to share, which means I've already shared to their bundle. It could be that I've shared already, but I haven't sent them a message or an offer yet. So we're going to try the next one. That one also says unable. So let's try one more. This one is one of the most recent likes. So let's see if Miss Pure Life has this. Awesome. Share it successfully. So then we're going to go, well, you can go to my bundles from here, upper right hand corner, and then on the left hand column under my bundles, you'll see shop and sell. You want to click sell, and then the item that was most recently bundled for someone is at the top of your list. So you're going to click view bundle here, and there's your bundle. So at this point, you could write a message to someone, you could send an offer. So usually what we do, we'll say hello, thank you for visiting the Peachy World Closet. I sent you an offer based on your interests. Please feel free to send me any questions. And make sure you go over, look for red line squigglies to check out if you have any misspellings. And also, we'll say hello and happy Friday because that's our lingo. And also, so say you're typing this out beforehand. It says I've sent an offer, but I haven't already. So we're going to copy what I've written, and you'll see why in a minute. So now I'm going to figure out what I want to offer. Usually I do between 10 and 20%. This item is really rare. It's hard to find. If you look online, they don't sell it anymore. It's considered vintage. It was made over, I want to say 15 years ago. So, and it's a really cool piece. I've thought about keeping it, but then I'm like, someone else could probably get more use out of it, or if someone's a collector of these types of items, it might be good for them. Anywho, so 20%, 40, 12, 16. So we're going to offer 160. That's 20% off. We click submit. So you see, after we click submit, anything that you had in the comment section is gone. So that's why it's important to copy it before you hit submit, and then you can send it afterwards. And that is how you send an offer for a bundle. So if you all have any questions, please feel free to follow us on Instagram at Peachy Girl Cali World. You can also go into the comment section and send any questions there, and I'll get that notification and get back to you. Please feel free to subscribe. Let me know if there are other videos you want to see. We have a lot more videos coming that will showcase how you can work on Poshmark and Macari to get more sales, be more interactive, and all of that sort. Okay, thank you. Bye.